Welcome to Krannich Solar. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the GoodWe ESA Series ranging from 5 to 30 kilowatts. The ESA Series is a three-phase all-in-one energy storage solution that brings together an inverter, battery storage and intelligent energy management in a single system. It's the perfect choice for larger residential installations as well as smaller commercial applications. With inverter options from 5 to 30 kilowatts and a storage system that can be expanded as needed, the ESA Series adapts smoothly to a wide range of project requirements, whether you're starting small or planning to scale up later on. One of the real highlights of the ESA Series is its flexible battery configuration. You can choose between 4 battery modules with 5, 6, 8 or 9 kilowatt hours. A single battery stack can reach up to 54 kWh depending on the configuration, and the full system supports up to 12 modules, enabling a total capacity of up to 108 kWh. This gives you maximum flexibility when designing or expanding your system, especially since you can even mix modules of different capacities or combine new and existing batteries. To ensure strong performance, the ESA Series offers up to 200% DC oversizing and robust AC backup overload capability. The intelligent air cooling system keeps the unit running quietly, below 35 decibels. And thanks to the dual-port design, the system can power your entire home during an outage. The transition to backup takes less than 4 milliseconds, so it's virtually seamless. Safety is another major strength of the ESA Series. It features a 6-level safety protection design, AI-driven AFCI 3.0 arc fault detection, and an IP66 protection rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations. An integrated heating function ensures reliable operation even in temperatures as low as -20 degrees. The smart control features complete the system. The ESA Series is ready for AI-based energy management, including dynamic tariff optimization. System updates and configuration can be done easily with one-click operation. And thanks to the pre-wired modular design, installation is exceptionally fast and straightforward. If you would like to learn more about the GoodWe ESA Series, feel free to visit our Krannich Webshop or contact your local Krannich representative. Thank you for watching and see you next time.